All right, what I'm
Hold
gonna...
on.
Hey!
Damn.
I'm going to put some PEX lines on the hot and cold line and run it over there to the shower. Now, let's get this. Shouldn't be too much in there. And now grab it with this and pull it off. Just pull it off. Make it feel good. Halle Berry, Monster Ball. Thank you. Okay. Take that over there. Get on in there now.
Yeah. Yeah.
There you go. There now. I'm just gonna put that on there like that.
Boy.
Like I say, boy. I might not always be around here to help ye. There now. I'm gonna crimp it on there like I know what the heck I'm doing. Like I don't. Now I got my go and no-go tool on my crimp ring here. So, you know, when I hurt my arm, I couldn't even crimp that.
Is that all you do is bitch?
Ever since I got here. Now I take my go and no-go, and see how that is there? Has a little space up there. That means that is a good crimp. If it went all the way down, have to redo it. Okay, now this one. I'm gonna have to put one of these on there so it aims that direction. Oh, they're gonna put me in a movie. They're gonna make a big star out of Steve. Okay, that's a cold water line. Now you want to leave a little space here like that, just a little on the end. Now take my go and no-go tool. See what we got here, and it's a good crimp. So now we're going to do that with the blue line. Do the same thing with this. Stick it up under there like this. Get a crimp ring for that. Put it on there like that. And crimp it. Get my go and no-go tool. And that's a good crimp. Okay, now we're going to move over there. I'm going to go up with it. Okay, this is getting exciting. So I'm coming up here with the hot and cold. This is the hot, that's the cold. Your cold is always on your right hand side and your hot's on the left hand side. That's generally how they do it. So, all right, I'm coming up. We went underneath the tub. I'm coming up here through there. But right down here at the bottom, I'm going to put a crimp down, a fitting down there, and then go up, fitting on the cold line and go up. So I put the hot on my left and cold on the right. I'm going to cut this right. Chop. It'll pop back and hit you in the face. I'm going to put a couple 90 degrees on these and a crimp on it. my go and no-go tool because we don't want no water leaks. That's good. Now let's do this one. Put a 90 on it. Biatch. There. Should take this on the right hand side, so that's this side. It's backwards from what I'm doing. Okay. Alright, that's good, that's good. Now I'll get the go and no go. Make sure it's okay. It's okay. Now I'll do the cold hot line. Okay. Okay. Okay, now check it out with the go and no go. Alright, it's good. See it? I gotta put those clamps on this. Okay, now these things have got to go on there, so it goes like that. About that high. Okay, I put the hole here. So that's got to be up there about that high. Like that. So we'll just do that right now. About right to there. So cut that line there. Put this on there. Either I'm getting better at this or that was lucky. Okay, see that? See there's a gap in there? That means it's good. The one that you're walking around with is the get leverage. Go and no go tool, and it's go. It's a go. Okay, now I need this one to be right about. We'll cut it right. Cut it right where my finder was.
Don't cut your finger.
Okay. Put that on there like that, and this on there like that. Oh, we are making some progress now. We have a water line there. Now we'll do the hot water line. Hot water line, hot water line. Get in there, you son of a bitch. So that was about like that. So I'll cut this off right about here. Give myself a little bit of room. buying all these tools was a fortune. I can't imagine doing it without it.
$1 million.
Well,
Works with us, huh?
may as well have been $1 million. We had somebody come over. We were going to get someone to do this stuff. And they quoted us just to put the plumbing in at the bottom, just for the P-traps and stuff, $3,000.
Well, they weren't even going to do what we did.
No, they weren't. Where's my go and no go tool?
It's right there.
Oh.
That's why they pay me the big bucks.
Go and no go to the bathroom. All right, it's a
I
go.
told Wayne how I had to, when we were doing all our installs, our payphones, how I had to follow you around. We were both doing work, and I was like, we couldn't get anything done because we always were losing things, tools, and I said, so I just really became your helper.
That's right.
It made it a lot easier. We'd leave all kinds of tools up in ceilings at Winn-Dixie.
Yeah. Okay, now.
Going down and buying tools all the time.
Yeah. How's that look, Precious?
That looks pretty good.
Now, how high do you want the thing? About that high?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. I can see clearly now. The rain is gone. There's all obstacles in my way. There's not a dark cloud to hand me down. It's going to be a bright, 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 sunshiny day.
Thank you.
It's going to be a bright, 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 sunshiny day.
Now this is so we'll have. It's gonna be a shower head, right?
This is a shower valve.
Yeah, but there's gonna be a shower head above it,
This is for a shower head.
and so we can clean this tub
So we can clean the tub.
and the shower when we get it.
Yes.
Walk in,
So
shower.
let's do that first.
So tell me, Mike, you like this? Do you think this Whirlpool is a good investment?
Well, yeah, I do. It's been a lifesaver, just like Steve said. Oh. I can see clearly now you're gonna be in bed. I need to quit work.
Yeah.
Hey, Sean, I need to quit work. So if you watch this video, maybe you already have. It's a go. I guess we'll just go about this high. How about that? It's a guess. Because we want to reach all the way around this thing, right? So it's going to be a short one.
Squirt cold water down on your head if you're sitting in there burning up and you're stuck in there because you're old.
Because you can't get out.
Yeah, because you can't get out.
We'll just guess right here. It's going to be fine the way it is, right there.
This.
This is going to connect the rest of the unit to all that water and shower and all this stuff on that side. Okay. So let's do this right here. Put that on there like that. Come on. There we go. Where is it, Steve?
I don't know, probably in your pocket.
It's in my back pocket.
That is so funny. And I knew.
That's a go. Now this one. if I can get around that. I might need to drill the hole bigger. That's okay, I get it. It worked. Okay. Now let's check that one. That's good. All right. Now, let me see this. Okay, so this hooks onto the shower head, and then this hooks onto a 2x4 back here, and then your shower head screws onto this, and then you got to put thread and whatnot on there, plumber's tape. So that goes right there on that. Let's see here. So that'd be a pretty easy install, actually. There we go. You take a 2x4 like you have here, you put it up there like that, and then your shower head, and then after you put all your, you know, your backer board, concrete, waterproof backer board, all over this. So we can actually put that on there and use it. But that'll be the next step. I'm going to put some plugs into this. Now this ready to go that way. I need to build my wall. I got my boards cut already. I put that up there. And then for your rain shower thing, we'll go up that way, and then through the wall. I'll get another one of these to connect to the rain drain. Okay, that's it, boys and germs.
For now.
Or girls and germs, ladies and germs, beautiful girls and ugly men. Because I'm a man. I claim to be a man. Always was, always will be. And good night.
Wasn't supposed to go this way. When I met you yesterday, I didn't need you next to me. Am I the kind that you expected me to be? It's getting a little warm. Crack the window, please. I'll pump the gas if you run inside. Grab a couple tall boys and a honey pie. And yesterday is far away, and tomorrow you'll be gone. It wasn't supposed to go this way. Sweet, 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 sweet Thursday. "10 million people, and maybe more,